Alright guys, I'm live. We're gonna start with Contenders tonight. So we have a double box. Oh, we have a booklet. Look at that pack. It's pretty cool. Gonna keep it for the end. So that's the first box here. Let's keep the big booklet for the end. And in that one, we have a patch. So one booklet, one patch. Great. Let's do them at the end. There we go. Contenders 14-15. 13-14, sorry. Base pack. Base pack. Base pack. Autograph for Nashville, Austin Watson. Base pack. Selkie Contender, let me doubt it. David Desharnais. Was number to 499. Base pack. That one is good. LA Kings, Martin Jones. Oh, that's for the end. Base pack. Norris Contender, Torrey Krug. The base pack again. Yeah, I didn't want to say it, Ryan. Well, this is a nice one. It's going to be a random between Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. Bo Bennett, Jeff Zadkov, Scott Lawton, and Matthew Conan. Four-way autograph. So random at the end. Art Contenders $4.99. Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And the last pack. Base pack. We'll just clear that. Alright, second box. I'll do the big pack at the end. Base pack. Vezina Contenders, Cam Ward. Base pack. Another base pack. NHL Inc. Ducks Jacob Silfverberg. Rookie number 600 is Zach Zeal, Pittsburgh. Contenders Legacy Mark Messier. Base pack. Another random, but that's a nice random. Between Oilers and Vancouver, Marco Cobello, Tyler Pitlick, Victor Fast, and Vancouver, Nicholas Jensen, Jordan Schroeder, and Frank Corrado. Base pack. Autograph for the Ducks, Frederick Anderson. Base pack. Norris contender, Chris Letang. Base pack. Do we have 2 patch? I think we have 2 patch. Autograph number 600, Mikkel Latta. So, do we have 2 patch or not? I think we have. Yeah, 2 patch and a booklet. Exciting. Well, that's a booklet. So there was 2 booklets in the same box. And it's gonna be between Vancouver and Anaheim. Daniel Sedin and Rick Sedin, Saku Koivu, Teemu Selanne Redemption. It's kind of nice. What is that? We have a patch, but it's like a tag of Slava Voinov. I'm not sure what it is. Norris Contenders. So that's not random. And the big pack. Look at that. That's going to be a booklet. This is gonna go to the Ducks. Emerson Edom, Victor Fast, Rickard Rackle, Frederick Anderson, number 199. Nice break for the Ducks, and they are in random. That was the Ducks. So whoever had the Ducks, really nice break. Congrats, LE2. So we have 3 randoms to do. Vancouver is in 2 randoms. Alright, so the first one is going to be between Edmonton and Vancouver. The second one is going to be between Pittsburgh and Philly. And the third one, the booklet, is going to be between Vancouver and Anaheim. All right. All right, so the six-way autograph between Edmonton and Vancouver. So they had Nicholas Jensen, Schroeder and Corrado, and Arcobello, Pitlick, and Fast. One time, two times, three times. So the six-way autograph goes to Vancouver. Congrats to Vancouver. And we have Pittsburgh and Philly for the four-way autograph. One time, two times, three times. So Pittsburgh wins the four-way autograph. And for our booklet between Vancouver and Anaheim, so one time, two times, three times. So Vancouver wins once more the random. So congrats to whoever at Vancouver. Nice break for you. And I'll be right back with artifacts.